Creating net zero energy buildings is a critical component of Fairfax County's operational energy strategy. Designed to reduce emissions, conserve energy, and save money, these structures are helping create cleaner, healthier spaces for everyone. Let's discover how green buildings are advancing the county's energy goals.
Fairfax County's operational energy strategy is the policy that we've set that targets carbon neutrality for government operations by 2040. Now, what carbon neutrality means is that we need to reduce the greenhouse gas emissions from our buildings' energy use, our vehicle and transit fleet, and then any greenhouse gas emissions left over, we have to find a way to offset. It's important to note that the county also adopted a community-wide energy and climate action plan which establishes a carbon neutrality target for the community by 2050. So the operational energy strategy says, hey, the government is serious about climate action. As leaders in this effort, we are going to hit the target 10 years before the rest of the community to show that it is feasible and that really, as a government, we're walking the walk, not just talking the talk. Green buildings is one of the 11 focus areas in the operational energy strategy. And when we talk about green buildings here at Fairfax County government, what we mean are the new buildings and major renovations produced by our capital facilities group.
So sustainability is a core value in the design and construction of capital projects in the county, and Public Works has embraced the various goals that have been identified in the initiatives adopted by the Board of Supervisors. One of the key aspects of the operational energy strategy is to design for net zero energy, which means that buildings need to be designed to only consume as much energy that it can produce.
All new county government buildings and major renovations over 10,000 square feet are designed and constructed to achieve a minimum LEED Gold certification. Leadership in energy and environmental design includes a range of levels from certified, silver, gold, and the highest achievement, platinum.
So the recently completed Woodlawn Fire Station was the county's first project to achieve LEED Platinum certification. The sustainable design features in this facility include energy-efficient equipment and systems throughout the facility, high-efficiency appliances and equipment, LED lighting with occupancy and daylight harvesting sensors, and this building also uses recycled and regionally sourced materials. The facility also provides a solar photovoltaic system that generated 66,000 kilowatt-hour in 2024, which offsets 21% of the building's electricity use, which is actually enough to power 11 homes. The original Mount Vernon High School, also known as the Commons, is actually being transformed into a human development center from a 1939 high school facility. Through historic preservation and adaptive reuse, the project is designed to achieve LEED Gold certification and 25% greater energy efficiency. A key sustainability feature of the project is its geothermal system, one of the largest in county facilities with 196 wells drilled 400 feet deep under the parking areas. Currently under construction, this project will serve as a model for sustainable redevelopment, blending historic preservation with innovative environmental strategies. The Monument Garage will be the county's first Park Smart certified project, which is another certification system that is used for parking garages. The parking garage includes energy-efficient systems, low-flow plumbing fixtures, electric vehicle charging stations, and rooftop solar panels. To minimize environmental impact, the project includes low-impact development features such as a green roof and rain garden.
With nearly 50 green buildings and counting, Fairfax County is championing sustainability by creating spaces that conserve energy and promote the well-being of our community. Through cutting-edge strategies and collaboration across departments, the operational energy strategy is paving the way for sustainable development, ensuring a cleaner, greener future for Fairfax County.